The Asus ROG Strix Scar 16 2025 redefines gaming power with cutting-edge hardware and an eye-catching design. Equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 9 to 75HX processor featuring 24 cores and 24 threads, along with an NVIDIA Zephyrus RTX 5090 GPU boasting a maximum TGP of 175W, this laptop is built to handle the most demanding games and creative workloads. Its 16-inch ROG Nebula HDR Mini-LED display offers a crisp 2560 by 1600 resolution, an ultra-smooth 240Hz refresh rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 1200 nits, perfect for vibrant visuals and immersive gameplay. To keep temperatures in check, the Scar 16 utilizes Tri-Fan technology, an end-to-end vapor chamber, and conduct an extreme liquid metal on both the CPU and GPU, ensuring consistent performance even during intense gaming sessions. With up to 64GB DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 4TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD and RAID 0, load times are nearly instant. Connectivity is future-proof with Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1 FRL, to 5G Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 7 support, ensuring blazing fast data speeds for gaming, streaming, or multitasking. The laptop's design also stands out with customizable RGB lighting across the chassis and an Anime Vision LED panel on the lid for personalized animations. This powerhouse is perfect for competitive gamers seeking maximum performance in esports titles like Valorant, CSGO, or Fortnite, where high refresh rates and fast response times are crucial. Content creators working with 3D rendering, video editing, or AI tools will also benefit from its exceptional power and speed. Even for tech enthusiasts who love customization and premium design, the Scar 16 delivers a unique blend of style and performance. With its powerful specs, innovative cooling, and stunning aesthetics, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 16 2025 is a true powerhouse that sets a new standard for high-performance gaming laptops. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into what makes this machine a top choice for gamers, creators, and power users in 2025. Is this the most powerful gaming laptop of 2025? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech trends. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below.